Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can know if someone has blocked you on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chat section, people, and right here you're gonna find stories. So right now, I'm going to go back to the chat section. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your conversations. And here in the top, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So right now, in order to know if someone has blocked you on Messenger, the first thing that you need to see is if you still can see their name and their profile picture on Messenger. If you can't see their name and their profile picture on Messenger, that means two things. Either they blocked you on Messenger or they just deleted or changed their Facebook account. So if you want to know that, just go ahead and open Facebook. Then once you do that, just go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then scroll down until you find your profile. Go ahead and click on create a new profile or page. Then choose if you want a personal profile. Click on next and then click on get started and follow the steps in order to create your new Facebook profile. So basically guys, once you create a new Facebook profile, go ahead and search for the person you think he has blocked you on Messenger or on Facebook, and then see if you can find them on the other account. If you did find them, that means they blocked you on Messenger. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.